Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Is the function f of s continuous at s equals to number 1? So we have this function in here. About s, I can put 2x minus s because 2x minus s, we have s. Now, we can do about factorization by s, and we have like this one by negative number 1. Now, we can do another factorization by s plus number 2. Now we simplify s minus number 2 on numerator and denominator. So because we can simplify about s minus number 1, that means in this situation, this is about removable. Because this is about removable at s equal to number 1. So we can conclude that this is about not continuous at s equals to number 1 because we have removable. This is the end. Thank you for watching.